It's Christmas and I'm here standing in front of you with a recipe of a delicious, rich, dark, moist and intensely flavorful Christmas plum cake. Hope you will enjoy this video. Love you all.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way, bells on both.
So let's start off this plum cake recipe by soaking some dry fruits and dates. So here I've taken half cup of raisins, quarter cup of almonds, half cup of dates and half cup of roasted cashews. Give it a good mix. And soak them in 6 tablespoons of orange juice. Mix it again. Let's leave it to soak for half an hour. Meanwhile, let's prepare the caramel. So, half cup of sugar goes into the pan. Let's caramelize it in a low flame. The sugar has started melting. After it has melted, then slowly add in hot boiling water. You have to be very careful. Here I've added around 1 cup of hot boiling water. Give it a good mix. Wait till the syrup has reduced to half. Our syrup is ready and the color looks good to me. So let's turn off the flame and leave it to cool. Okay, now let's prepare the batter. In a bowl, let's take 3 egg whites and whisk it using an electric beater. Start whisking it slowly first. And then on a high speed. Drop in a pinch of salt, blend it again and then we'll keep it aside. Now let's whisk the egg yolks. To this, add in half cup of powdered sugar. Then slowly add 3/4 cup of veg oil, or you can even use melted butter. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and then goes in half cup of caramelized sugar. Then we are going to sift 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, one teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of nutmeg powder, half teaspoon of cardamom powder, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder and quarter teaspoon of clove powder. Save it. And gently mix it using a spatula. At this stage, add in the egg whites and gently fold it again. Now add the soaked dry fruits and fold in. And pour this batter into a mold. So here I've lined my mold with a parchment paper at the base. And here goes our batter. Tap to remove some air bubbles and then garnish it with some roasted cashews. Now this goes into the oven which has been preheated at 180 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes, and we shall bake it for about 40 to 45 minutes. After this time, you can insert a toothpick or a skewer to the cake and see if the cake is done. See, it's done. If it is not done, then let it bake for some more time. So, our cake is done. Look at the beautiful color. It's all because of our caramelized sugar. Now, let's leave it there to cool completely. Further, slice it and serve. I hope you will like, share and subscribe to my channel. And follow me on Instagram too. It's time to say bye, so give this recipe a try and enjoy. Merry Christmas!
Dashing through